Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on rental cars with Enterprise step by step clearly. Start by determining your travel dates and destination. Visit the Enterprise website or download their mobile app. Input your pickup and drop off locations. Select your rental dates and times. Review the available car options. Consider selecting a larger vehicle if you have more luggage or passengers. Check for special offers and discounts on the website. Look for promotional codes or coupons online. Consider signing up for the Enterprise Rewards program. Choose a payment option that suits your needs. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your booking. Add any additional amenities like GPS or car seats. Confirm your booking and receive your reservation details. When arriving at the rental location, check the car's condition thoroughly. Take note of fuel levels and any existing damage. Ask about the fuel policy for your rental. Consider purchasing insurance for added peace of mind. Once you are satisfied with the vehicle, sign the rental agreement. Return the car on time to avoid any additional fees. Refuel the vehicle if required by the rental agreement. Keep a copy of your rental agreement and receipt for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.